Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of the Add to Cart button on Wix.com. So first, go onto the dashboard of your desired website, and then let's click on this to edit the site. If you click on this, it'll take you to the Wix website editor. To edit the Add to Cart button, you'll need to go to the product page first. So go on the top left side here, click on this, and then go to product page here. Wait for it to load. On the product page here, as you can see, there's our Add to Cart button. So click on this, and then go to Settings. On Settings, go to Design. On Design, go to Buttons. On Buttons, as you can see, there's an Add to Cart section. This is our Add to Cart button. So scroll down, and here's the color. Right now, the opacity is at 0%, so turn it up to 100% first, and then change the color to whatever you'd like. So for example, I want it to be red. It's now red. If you want it to be a same style as before, so like hollow like this, but the outer line is a different color, just give it this. This is the border width and color pixel. If I turn this up, the lines will be thicker, just like that. But that's too thick, so just keep it at 1 pixel. Now just change the color as well, like this. I want it to be red, so now it's red.